what's your name?
My name is Antonio.
Hello, Antonio. Let's take a look at page 7. Page 7, part C, point to number 5. Tell me, how many cherries are there?
There are a few cherries.
What about number 6? How many cookies are there?
There are a lot of cookies.
Okay, now let's take a look at page 9, part C. Number 4, tell me, how many hamburgers are there?
There are a lot of hamburgers.
What about number 8? How much cake is there?
There is a little cake.
Good. Let's take a look at page 13, part C. Number 3 and number 4, tell me, is a cheetah as fast as a gazelle?
No, it isn't. It's faster.
Okay, what about number 7 and number 5? Is a squirrel as fast as a rhinoceros?
No, it isn't. It's slower.
Good. Now let's take a look at page 14, part B. Part B, number 4. Tell me, which animal is larger, the puppy or the mouse?
The puppy is larger. The puppy is larger than the mouse.
Good. Page 15, part C. Number 2, tell me, which animal is the fastest?
The wolf is the faster.
Faster or fastest?
Fastest.
Fastest. Fastest.
Fastest.
Good. Then which one is the slowest?
The turtle is the slower.
Slower or slowest?
The slowest.
Good. Now let's take a look at page 17, part D. Part D, number 6. Tell me, which one is the most expensive? The swimsuit, the t-shirt, or the skirt?
The swimsuit is the more expensive.
The most
The most
expensive.
The swimsuit is the most expensive.
Good. And then which one is the least expensive?
The t-shirt is the least expensive.
Good. Now let's take a look at number 8. Tell me, which animal is the most graceful?
The gazelle is the most graceful.
And which animal is the least graceful?
The elephant is the least graceful.
I'm sorry, the elephant or the elephant?
The elephant is the least graceful.
Good. Now let's take a look at page 23. 23, part C, number 4. Tell me, what did they do last weekend?
They went bowling.
Boring or bowling?
Bowling.
Say bowling.
Bowling.
Good. What about number 5? What did she do last weekend?
She went shopping.
Okay, now take a look at page 25, part C. Number 4. Tell me, what were they doing yesterday morning?
When
Them were they.
they
Okay, what were they doing yesterday morning?
when
Were they question? They
were answer.
good. So they were
Playing volleyball.
volleyball or volleyball.
Volleyball.
Good. What about number 6? What were they doing yesterday morning?
They were skateboarding.
Good. Now let's take a look at page 27. Part C, number 3. Tell me, what was she doing this afternoon?
She was borrowing books at
Books? Are you sure?
book.
How many?
book.
Borrowing a book.
Borrowing a book at the library.
At the library. What about number 6? What was he doing this afternoon?
He was surfing the internet.
Say surfing the internet.
Surfing the internet.
Surfing the
the
internet.
internet.
One more time.
He was surfing this internet.
The internet.
The internet at the school bell.
Yes, the school lab. Okay, page 31. Part C, number 2. Tell me, did you turn on the TV?
Yes, I turning on.
Turn it on or turn it on?
Turned it on.
In or it?
It.
It means the TV, right?
Yes.
Okay, what about number 6? Did you turn down the heat?
No, I didn't turn it down.
Turn it down.
Turn it down.
Turn it.
Turn it down.
Turn it down. Good. Page 33, part C. Number 4. Tell me, does he walk slowly?
Yes, he does.
What about number 6? Does he speak loudly?
No, he doesn't. He speak.
He speaks or he speaks?
He speaks.
Not loudly. It's quickly or quiet.
Quiet. He
Quiet or quietly.
quietly.
He speaks quietly.
He speaks quietly.
Good. Now let's take a look at the last part. Page 34, part B. Number 2, tell me, what does Jenny do well?
She plays the guitar very well.
Okay, what about number 4? What does Andy do well?
He rides a unicycle very well.
Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.